The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 represents Suzuki's relentless focus on competitive motocross engineering. Designed for riders who demand precision, power, and control, this machine is purpose-built for the track. Every element of the RM-Z450 reflects Suzuki's racing heritage, delivering a motorcycle that performs with consistency and confidence under extreme conditions. Engine and performance. The RM-Z450 is a powerful four-stroke engine tuned for explosive acceleration and strong mid-range pull. The engine delivers immediate throttle response, allowing riders to launch hard out of corners and maintain momentum on fast straights. Advanced fuel injection ensures precise power delivery, helping riders stay in control across varying track conditions. The engine's tuning focuses on race consistency, delivering reliable performance lap after lap. Aggressive and functional motocross design. The design of the 2025 RM-Z450 is sharp, compact, and race-focused. Slim bodywork and a narrow midsection allow maximum rider movement, essential for aggressive cornering and quick transitions. The bold Suzuki yellow graphics reinforce its competition-ready identity, while the streamlined profile improves airflow and reduces unnecessary bulk. This design is not about style alone. It is engineered to support high-performance riding and rider control. Race-engineered chassis and handling. The 2025 RM-Z450 is built on a lightweight aluminum frame designed for the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This chassis provides excellent cornering precision while maintaining stability at high speeds. The bike feels planted through ruts, jumps, and rough terrain, giving riders confidence to push harder. Its geometry allows sharp turn-in while remaining predictable during aggressive riding. Advanced suspension for track domination. Long travel suspension is a key strength of the RM-Z450, tuned specifically for motocross racing. The suspension absorbs heavy landings and rough track sections without losing composure. It provides excellent feedback, allowing riders to maintain traction and control through demanding sections. This suspension setup helps reduce rider fatigue while maximizing performance throughout a race. Braking performance and rider control. Strong and consistent braking performance is essential in competitive motocross, and the RM-Z450 delivers reliable stopping power. The braking system offers precise modulation, allowing late braking into corners without instability. This predictable braking enhances confidence and control, especially during intense race situations. Rider ergonomics built for competition. The ergonomics of the 2025 RM-Z450 are designed around aggressive riding techniques. A flat seat profile, slim tank area, and well-positioned foot pegs allow smooth transitions between seated and standing positions. This layout supports better control during acceleration, braking, and cornering. The overall riding position reduces strain and helps riders maintain focus throughout long motos. Conclusion: a serious weapon for serious riders. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 is a pure motocross machine built with one goal: winning on the track. With its powerful engine, race-tuned chassis, advanced suspension, and competition-focused ergonomics, it delivers the performance required at the highest level. This motorcycle is not designed for compromise or comfort. It is engineered for riders who demand precision, control, and victory every time the gate drops.